Deep within the silent graveyard of forgotten steel lies a legend waiting to be reborn.
Years of neglect have claimed its beauty, but not its soul.
For some, this isn't just scrap. It's a canvas of possibilities.
The first challenge, bringing this sleeping giant back to life.
Carefully, meticulously, we prepare for its journey home.
With a mighty lift, it finally breaks free from its rusty prison,
leaving its past behind, heading towards a new future.
Welcome to the heart of creation, where dreams take shape.
Every dent, every scratch, tells a story of its forgotten life. The heart of the beast, dormant for decades, now awaits its awakening. Piece by piece, we begin to uncover its hidden potential. Every layer removed brings us closer to its true essence.
The battle against time begins. Rust, meet your end.
Every grain of sand, erasing decades of decay.
Sometimes, to heal, you must first cut away the old.
New life, new strength. Forging its future, piece by piece.
Engine secrets laid bare, ready for its ultimate revival. No component is too small to escape our relentless pursuit of perfection.
Precision engineering, pushing the boundaries of performance.
The symphony of mechanics, bringing power back to its core.
Every imperfection meticulously erased, creating a flawless canvas. The relentless pursuit of perfection, one stroke at a time.
Into the chamber of transformation, where its true colors will emerge.
A breathtaking rebirth. Watch as its identity is brilliantly restored.
Touch of luxury, bringing comfort and elegance back to its soul.
Every dial, every button, perfectly placed. Its brain now fully alive.
The heart finds its home. A moment of precision and immense trust. The final touch. A mirror-like finish, reflecting sheer perfection.
From forgotten scrap to a breathtaking masterpiece.
Roar of a legend, echoing through time once more.
A symbol of passion, dedication, and a dream finally realized.